Good.
Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Janowitz with Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic. I am thrilled to have one of my patients and friends, Linda, here to share her story with her journey of healing as well. So Linda, why don't you tell us how you came into the practice?
Well, I was starting to experience some back pain, and originally, I was thinking I was just overloading my system, but it continued to get worse, and the pain went down my arm, and so I had chiropractic services from you previously, and so I felt like that you could help me. So I came in not knowing really what to expect. I was actually thinking that, okay, it's going to be just a quick fix, and then I'll be on my way again.
Sure.
But it continued to get worse, and so you had discussed that perhaps I needed to have an MRI to just determine if there was a bulging disc involvement or something. And so we set up an MRI, and indeed that's what it was. So you were right on the money there. And so I went to an orthopedic, and he discussed all the possible options, and one he said not initially, but surgery could be something down the road, and that really frightened me.
Sure.
That's not something I wanted to do, and talking with you, I came back to you, and you had said that you really felt that decompression could help me and eliminate the possibility of surgery.
Yeah.
And I was so thrilled to have that option for me. So we set up the decompressions, and I was really frightened because number one, I didn't want to have surgery, and plus I have a family with several people and I have special needs, and they're very dependent on me, and
right.
And in addition, I homeschool my children, and
so you got a full plate.
Yeah. So I could see myself getting out of commission very quickly.
Yeah.
And so we started the decompression, and as you had mentioned to me that it was going to be a slow process in the beginning, and it was,
That's right.
and so I was, knowing ahead of time that I was going to need to take some time, and it did, take. I think about 8 to 12 sessions is what you had told me
right.
to expect before significant relief would
That's
start
right.
happening, and that is what happened, and right. I had to. I was in bed quite a bit at the very beginning,
right.
because it was very
right.
painful.
Because we're healing the disc and actually healing it and not just covering up with the drug.
Right.
Healing takes time. It's not a process that doesn't take time. Your problems took time, so the healing takes time. So number one, you understood the expectation and you were patient with that, which is so important. And then tell us about the healing.
The healing has been phenomenal. I am able to do everything. I could not carry anything. Now I'm, carrying my groceries. I'm living my life again, and
awesome.
it's just phenomenal. And the Lord has brought me through this, and He has used you as an instrument to help me, and I really appreciate it.
Well, thank you. And so, what advice would you tell people, when considering a disc issue, decompression, or also choosing, say, our practice? What advice can you tell people that might be watching this video?
I would say decompression, has been certainly a life changer for me in my improvement and my healing. Everybody within the practice here has been phenomenal. I mean, I came in, practically hunched over, and people were very empathetic towards me. They knew. I mean, there are people in your practice here that have experienced what I've experienced, and that helped me to know that, hey, I see them healthy again, that I can be healthy again too. And it was very, very encouraging to me, and I would recommend people coming to you because you did help me significantly in this healing process, and I know that it allowed me not to have surgery, and that I'm well, and I'm continuing to be well, and I continue to receive services so that I can
stay healthy.
Stay healthy.
Yeah, well, you're a blessing to serve. You're why we come to work every day. Thank you so much for sharing your story.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.